Well, folks, today it's not raining here in Subic, and we are taking advantage of it. Rolling through. Alright, so yeah, we're enjoying this day. And my friends, we are loaded down. We are loaded down for some chill time here at the pool. And wife number one is looking beautiful. And the kids, they love to swim. They love to swim, folks. And got this nice pool here in this neighborhood where we're staying right now. Got to take advantage of it. And Fatima's over here dancing and looking beautiful. And I got stuck pushing this cart, but I got me a beer peeking out there. Got me a beer and it's a Yeti. And check this out. Videoke machine. If you've never been to the Philippines, let me introduce you to a videoke machine. Plug that bad boy in, get the book, you push the button. And these things are custom made, and you can program them, put coins in there. I got an old LG TV on there. These are speakers. So this thing right here is a standalone videoke machine. You just plug it in, get the book, and hit a button, and a microphone. Where they hide the microphone? Where are the microphones at? So this little spot that we're at, people can come out here and rent the pool for birthday parties, special occasions. And a lot of times when we come here, there's a birthday party going on. And we just come back at a later time. That stroller right there. That thing's seen a lot of miles. And when I came to Southeast Asia, I mean, more and more, I guess, people are getting strollers, but like you go out in the province, ain't nobody got a stroller because there's not a whole lot of even concrete to push the thing on. But I'm glad we did get a stroller because we have used the heck out of this thing. Fatima, why are you taking her out in the deep end? There's a kiddie pool right here. Why does she need to go in the deep end?
Give me the float.
Okay, just a second. Look, Forrest G. Yeah, they love to swim, my friends. All right, let me get the float here. Put my beer. And see, that's another reason to get you a handle and a lid for your Yeti. You come to the tropics, you need a lid that keeps the flies out. But a handle, I noticed that thing hangs on to different areas of the stroller. A handle up there too, so you gotta make sure you get a handle if you get a Yeti. Okay, baby, now be careful when you put her in there. Okay, she's too scared. Let's try Forrest G. Yeah, turn around, blick that. There we go. Now Forrest G will get up in there. All right, try to get him down in there. Put your feet in there, son. There we go. Whoa, that kind of gets his head a little low, but he's kicking. Good job, Forrest. Look at him kick his feet.
The fearless Forrest G.
Yeah, Forrest G ain't scared of much, folks. He's a gangster. Hey, look at Fatima looking so beautiful. Now, folks, life is good. Life is good in my world. And I guess it's because I just got a different mentality. I live every day as though it were my last, no matter where I'm at. You know, I'm not a religious dude, but I'm blessed, just in the sense of the word, to be able to hang out with my kids at the pool, spend as much time as I can with them. I feel 100% blessed in life. And I want to thank everybody who watches my videos, listens to my voice, and sits through those damn Google ads. everybody who sends super chat money, because everything you do enables me to continue this lifestyle. And I want you to know I certainly appreciate it. But in the same sense, I hope that some of the shit I do or talk about motivates you, you know, to do some things in your life instead of just sitting on the couch watching YouTube. And don't get me wrong, I'm very thankful you're on the couch watching YouTube. But maybe, you know, what's today, Friday? Tomorrow, Saturday for us. You know, maybe instead of watching YouTube tomorrow, you take that time and you actually go spend it with your kids. My videos will still be around. Just watch them while you're taking a shit at work. You know what I mean? Just claim your stomach's hurting. You get an extra time in the fucking bathroom. Go in there and catch up on my videos. So I'm gonna go jump in the pool and hang with my kids. Teach them a little bit of swimming lessons and maybe throw my old lady in the deep end. See if she remembers any of her swimming lessons, because she's not a good swimmer. She's from the Philippines. She's, you know, from near the beach and can't swim. I've said it before. A lot of folks in the Philippines, they cannot swim, even though there's over 7,107 islands in this archipelago. A lot of people just can't swim. That's why when a ferry goes down, the majority of the people drown, because they're not swimmers. So I work with wife number one here, trying to teach her how to swim. And I'm gonna give her some lessons today. But she can probably make it halfway across the pool. I don't think she can make it the full distance, but we're working on that. So hopefully, you know, we keep these kids in the water and they'll grow up as strong swimmers. Living in the Philippines, you know, riding ferries, being on pump boats, all that good stuff. They need to learn how to swim. So that's a big priority on my to-do list, is to make sure they are strong swimmers from the get-go. Alright folks, I'm gonna take a break, chill with the kids, and I'll talk to this camera some more while I'm chilling like a villain here in the Philippines. And I'll pick out one of these jokers right here. I'll be right back. Alright dude, hold on to my brewski. Look at that. Do like that and it keeps the flies off of it. You see all these flies? Welcome to the tropics. See them flies? Yeti with a lid will save your beer. Alright folks. Now let me give a plug out to, what is this, an Intex, I-N-T-E-X. It says My Baby Float. And I think we bought this at the SM over in, where we buy this, baby? The Longapo?
No.
Where we buy this?
SM in the Angeles.
Oh yeah, okay. So we bought this at the SM in Angeles. But this is Forest G approved. And folks, this thing works great. It's like a walker for the water. I know there's many similar floats out there, but this thing keeps him low enough in the water where it don't seem like he can turn himself over. And when he gets up on that step right there, he basically tries to start walking around, but if he slips and falls, his head can't hit anything. And he's just kicking away. So this thing is actually going to be a pretty good little teaching aid to teach this boy how to swim. And it's a My Baby Float by Intex. Look at him. He's moving, he's getting himself around. Good job, Forrest G. Folks, chilling with these beautiful ladies. Now let me give a shout out. Look, Marissa, how come you never wear your hair down? You see, Marissa always wears her hair up, but when she puts her hair down, different lady, folks. My goodness. My goodness, my goodness. So I've been trying to get Marissa to keep her hair down everywhere she goes, but she won't do it.
I will, ano.
Are you gonna start wearing your hair down?
No.
Why not?
When swimming.
Only when swimming?
Yes po.
What about when we go to sitting bull?
I don't like.
Okay, well it looks beautiful, just by the way. All right, back to Forrest G over here. These kids are having a great time. You know, I was looking at that inflatable pool over there at Devi Mart. I could get that, let them tool around at the house, but well, I guess the Filipinos would probably get in there too. I'd have 2 Filipinas and 2 babies kick back in that kiddie pool. There'd never be any work done. How you gonna get? There we go. All right, folks. Forrest G getting a little sleepy. He's trying to go to sleep in that float. But check him out. His bathing suit. We got matching bathing suits. How cool is that? I tried to find one for Maria, but couldn't find one. All right, now Miss Maria is gonna take a ride in the baby float.
See? Oh.
See, they both automatically start kicking, so that's a pretty good little. That's a good piece of gear right there. Hey, look at the beautiful Fatima's bathing suit over here. My goodness. I told Fatima, I said, baby, your ass must be hungry because it's eating your shorts. And what'd you say, baby? What'd you say? She said the reason her ass is eating the shorts is because the owner of the shorts is hungry too. Alright folks, Marissa swears that she can swim from one end of the pool to the other. I said, let me get the video, because what I think is going to happen. Now baby, you realize that's going to get deep down there, right? You know that's deep?
Yes, I know.
You sure?
Yes,
You sure you don't want to go this way, because that's shallow? You can swim there?
I can. I know how to swim.
You sure? So if I have to jump in and save you, you're going to have to give me 5 pesos.
No, I will not drown. I know. I'm a daughter of a fisherman.
You're a daughter of a fisherman? You're the fisherman's daughter?
Yes.
Is that like the preacher's daughter?
Like that.
Like that? Oh my gosh, folks. We're learning some new things about Miss Marissa here that you didn't know before. Okay, girl, go ahead. I'm going to film you, and if you go under too long, I'm going to put the camera down on the tripod, of course, and get the right angle. And then I'm going to jump in and save you. Yeah, just hold your breath because I got to get the tripod straight. All right, let's do it. We're ready.
You count.
1, 2, 3, go. There she goes, folks. She wasn't lying. She knows how to swim. She is the daughter of a fisherman. Beautiful. Okay, excellent. Oh, she's going backwards. She's going back, folks. Added bonus, and it looks like I do not have to get the tripod ready, nor do I have to jump in and save Miss Marissa, because she is a strong swimmer. And she's from the east coast of Luzon. She's an east coast gangster. All right, yay! Okay, now I believe you. All right, Fatima, it's your turn, baby. Oh, she's doing the backstroke, folks. All right, so no problems with Miss Marissa swimming. She is an excellent swimmer. But this one here, not so much.
That's so much, not good.
Fatima, I want you to swim from one end of the kiddie pool to the other end. Just practice.
Even here, I don't know how to swim. Okay, I'll go there.
It's a hard life I live, my friends. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Trying to talk these ladies into going scuba diving where we can search for sunken treasure. The treasure in Subic Bay. Because I think what happened is a pump boat went down and there's treasure in a pump boat somewhere. What you think? You think that's possible that a pump boat went down and there's gold treasure in a pump boat? Now folks, Fatima has Forrest G in what I call a sleeper hole. Because when she puts either one of the babies in that sleeper hole, they go to sleep. She was a fast machine. She kept the motor clean. She was the best damn woman that I ever seen. Baby, looking beautiful today, Fatima. Finna drink that Royale. Instead of a cheeseburger Royale, it's a Royal orange drink. Forrest G over here eating the Choco Mucho.
Ito? Kaya, ano? Uy, ka? Ako? Hello? Tubig na. Oh, yeah, come here.
Get a drink, sweetie. Get some Royal.